Everyone, I'm here with Sasha from something called Shamanic Life. Did I get that right?
Yes.
And you've got a business where you run courses and workshops, and there's some coming up. If you want to tell the viewers where it is, what it's about, thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for the possibility. I am doing some workshops in Natura, Cabana, in Perla Marina, and there will be some more following. So I will do on the 25th of January a workshop on the essence of plants and the connection with plants. So it's not about just like healing herbs or the spirit of plants, it's our connection to nature. And the other workshop, which I also really love, is on 1st of February. It's about our power of our breath and our voice. So we speak about this sacred power we have within ourselves to connect to ourselves and to express our true nature.
Great. And Natura Cabana, that's in Perla Marina. Yeah, so that's between Sosua and Cabarete, for those who don't know. It's just like 5 minutes drive out of the edge of Sosua, and you see a big entrance there, Perla Marina, and you just tell the security to go to the Natura Cabana, and they let you in quite easy. Yeah? Anything else you would like to add to it?
I would also love to add that I will do more workshops also in Encuentro and in Calma and in other spots. So I would love when you are following my Instagram, then you can see, you'll be updated for everything I'm doing in this wonderful area.
Wonderful. We'll put the details next to the video. And just one question, is it large groups, or do you do one-on-ones as well, or how do you normally do it?
I do both. I do one-on-one, especially for the voice liberation. It is often more safe and more secure for the people to do it in a personal, intimate class. But I do also the workshops in groups up to 15 people.
Great. Okay, so folks, check out the details next to the video, and thank you so much, Sasha, for promoting it out there.
Thank you.
Cheers.